Listen to this, Trev. The Shiny Dog 2000 is a powerful multi-purpose grooming tool that when used in accordance with the following safety precautions and yada 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 blah 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 blah. And please enjoy the complimentary jug of Shiny Dog medicated shampoo. What's bugging you, Trev? You want me to go back and read the safety precautions?
It's my allergies. I don't get it. I've had my shots, I'm wearing my pollen patch, I'm literally caked with topical airborne spore repellent, and I still feel like I'm gonna,
Little help here! Help, please!
We're headed for the street!
Don't worry, Trev. Just curl up into a ball, son. Hey, think of the trash can as a big smelly helmet.
I can't stop spinning. Oh no, you're spinning too.
It's okay, Trev. No one's spinning anymore.
The yard is spinning. I can see it spinning.
Calm down. Trev, you're going to be okay.
Yay! Shiny Dog goes floating!
Impossible, son. The Shiny Dog comes with a lifetime guarantee. As far as I can tell, both Trevor and Berkeley are suffering from the same allergic reaction.
Trevor, honey, are there any symptoms besides the watery eyes and sneezing?
My hands are all swollen.
I found this on my bedroom floor. As far as I can tell, somebody threw it through my window. What is this? Some kind of gross-out contest?
The boys are having a little allergy attack, sweetie.
But not for long. Because in a matter of seconds, every spore, every grain of dust, every molecule of pollen, every man-made irritant in the entire Potansky household will be sucked into oblivion by our new Sneezer Alert 5000 air purifier.
Oh, boy.
Oh, dear.
Oh no.
Yay! Alerty light! Yay!
All we have to do is throw this little switch and... Wow, that's loud.
Huh?
Huh? What the... Ow!
Alerty light! Yay!
I don't mean to undermine your confidence, sweetie, but I think maybe we should consider a backup plan.
Well, we can always figure out what these two are allergic to by process of elimination. In other words, yanking everything we own out of the house and sticking it on the front lawn.
Honey, that means we'd have to put the new couch on the lawn. And, we'd have to tear up the new carpeting.
And we'd have to take out Grandpa's new easy chair. Yay! Everything on lawn.
That's right, pal. We basically have to put everything in the house on the front lawn.
Okay, empty house. Yay!
Hold on there, pal. Don't give Berkeley any ideas. Now, speaking of Berkeley, where is... Look at that. Our backup plan is complete.
Oh dear, how do you feel, Trevor, honey? Any better?
Somebody throw the switch and reverse the flow. Oh.
Attention to mission control! I'm pulling heavy G-force around Uranus!
Okay, Trev. These adhesive patches are individually blotted with trace amounts of every allergic substance known to man. There's dust mites, poison sumac, something called streptococcus, cat dander.
Cat dander? That's cat spit.
Only trace amounts of cat spit, Trev. Now, come on. All we have to do is stick these on your skin one at a time, and we can figure out exactly what you're allergic to.
Forget it. Huh? Oh, no.
Well, you feel any reaction? Anything unusual?
I feel itchy and swollen and itchy, and I feel like I'm going to...
Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Trevor, honey, when I told your allergy doctor about your swollen tongue, he suggested that we might want to seal you and Berkeley in a hypoallergenic bubble for a few days.
No way! Keep him away from me!
The bubble might not be so bad, Trev. We could probably run a power cord through the air hole so you can play your computer games.
You spare me too.
Wait a minute! The allergy only started today, right? That means these two are probably allergic to something that they've both encountered since this morning.
You have a point, sweetheart. Did you guys do anything unusual today?
Well,
Let me, pal. Well, we started the day by giving Berkeley a bath. And come to think of it, that's pretty much when these two started to sneeze. What are you trying to tell me, Berkeley? You want another bath?
go away, Bergie! Slew! You bab dog! Bab!
What's he saying? Does anyone know what he's saying?
Could you repeat yourself, Trevor, honey?
Bab dog! Bab dog!
I think he's saying bad dog.
Thank you! Family wabba wabba wham! Forever.
Hey, wait a minute! Listen to this. Shiny Dog medicated shampoo can cause watery eyes, sneezing, itching, burping, and in some highly allergic people, temporarily swollen hands and tongues.
Wow! Berkeley figured it out. Or maybe he just wanted another bath. Either way, he gave us the clue we needed.
Come on, sweetie. Tell Berkeley he's a good boy. Oh, dear.
No, I don't want to. Okay. You a good job.
He said you're a good dog, Berkeley.
Boogie, I never know you good, but
What's he saying? Does anyone know what he's saying? It's home improvement time! Who wants to help good old Dad do some chores? Come on! Who feels lucky? Well, I guess it's you guys and Trevor.
No. Actually, I'm sneaking away.
What a kidder. You two round up your big brother while I fire up the glue gun. Good idea, Trev. Let's start with that loose railing knob. Good thing you pointed this out to me, Trev. Someone could have gotten hurt.
Honey, I have to run out to pick up some new therapy puppets. As long as you're in one of your little screwdriver moods, would you mind tightening the doorknob on my office while I'm out?
I'll get my team right at it.
Hal, take me with you.
Okay, guys. Our first little job will be to somehow, some way, pry Trevor off the floor. It's okay, guys. The more we break, the more we get to fix. Let's start with that loose doorknob. The more we get to fix, the more we get to fix. Hey, wait a minute. Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking?
Ouch!
Milk and chocolate cake?
Maybe at break time. Maybe at walk time.
That maybe we should just forget this whole thing and call in a qualified professional?
Trevor, I'm surprised at you. You should know by now that no matter how grave the crisis, a Patansky never calls in a qualified professional. No, Trevor. A Patansky sees potential in adversity, an opportunity in crisis. And as a Patansky, you should see that this is the perfect opportunity to completely remodel Mom's office just like she's always wanted.
Mom never said anything about wanting her office remodeled.
Well, she never actually said it, but deep down, that's what she really wants. What do you say, guys? Let's jump to it.
Can we wait for the pain to stop first?
All right. We already got the hole for Mom's new skylight. Now that we've agreed to take on a big, scary job, we need big, scary tools.
What do you mean by scary?
Trevor, I present to you the future of home improvement. Say hello to the Build-O-Matic Wonder Thing. Just listen to that name roll off your tongue.
Oh, boy.
No, Trev, not boy. Build. See, Build-O-Matic Wonder Thing. Go on. Hop inside. Grab the controls.
Funky big metal-y, yeah!
Berkeley, look at me! No, on second thought, look back the way you were looking. On third thought, look back toward me.
Berkeley, no! Get out of here with that thing! I just had the most horrible nightmare. Oh no! It's one of those nightmare in a nightmare nightmares! Quick! Somebody pinch me and wake me up! Ah! Keep the monster away from me!
Oh, Trev, pick up the remote and hit the red button.
Here! Do something!
It won't shut down.
Try pressing the blue button.
No, that's for the power painter.
Huh? Push the green button.
That's the super drill.
Why? Why isn't this remote working?
Did you check the batteries?
They're gone. Why are the batteries gone?
Calm down, Trev. I have a plan.
What? What's your plan?
Run! Run like heck and don't look back!
One, and don't look back!
Whoa!
That Bernie. He's a real live wire.
Can't run anymore.
Just a little further. At least keep going until I faint again.
Don't worry, Trev. Have one last idea. Berkeley, bad dog! Bad dog! I'm sorry, Berkeley. You're a good dog. Now, go get Dad some batteries. Good dog. Little batteries. Little. Well, it's a darn good thing to build a mat. It comes with cleaning attachments. Trev?
Oh my goodness! I don't know what to say. It's.
Should I move my stuff out to Berkeley's doghouse right away, or do you want to yell at me for a while first?
Yell at you? Well, this is my dream office.
It is? I mean, of course it is.
It's so wonderfully visceral, so raw, so exposed. Just like so many of my patients, it screams out and says, "I'm broken. Fix me. Fix me."
That took the words right out of my mouth.
Oh.
Speaking of fixing, the doorknob's still loose. Would you mind getting out one of your electronic doohickeys and tightening it up a little?
Huh?